Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great and just make the best of life, whatever is going on. Now, today I want to show you how I make my granola. I don't put it in the oven. I always like to make a small batch most of the times, but my recipe you can do it twice or thrice, and then you will have a bigger batch, and I do it on the stove in a pan. Now I'm not going to add any honey, any syrup, so I'm going to be using the dates. I'm going to chop the dates up. You get different qualities of dates, and you will see how these dates will look after I've chopped it up and fried it in the coconut oil. You can use any type of seeds that you have. I'm just going to be using what I have is pumpkin seed. I'm going to be using sunflower seeds. I'm going to be using some coconut. And I'm going to be using, I think this is the basic ingredient that you need for the granola, is oats. You get different types of oats. You can decide. And I'm going to also be adding some almonds. I will chop that up because I have that. And I always add some cinnamon to most of my food. You can add anything else what you want to add. And I'm also going to be adding a rind of an orange. If I had lemon, I would use lemon. You don't have to do all of that. So I just chopped up the almonds. You can actually buy the almonds already chopped. And I chopped up the dates. Now, the reason why I'm using the dates is for the sweetness. Now they say it's 30 grams is a portion, so you just read on your food label, the package that you bought, how much a portion would be, and mine is 30 grams, so I just trying to eat a little bit healthy, and I will stick to the 30 grams. So depending on what kind of coconut oil you have, I will start with the coconut oil first, and I will put it in my pan, and then I will add the seeds, the oats around it, and then I will just mix everything up. So I started with the oil and the dates first. So on lower heat or medium heat in the beginning, I let it melt, and then I will mix my dates. Make sure that you don't burn your oats, so it's better to start off very slowly. As you can see, the dates is starting to develop a beautiful shine. Depending on what kind of dates you have, you might not ever bother doing this one. So I will take some of the dates away now and start putting the rest in. So everything has been spread out nicely, thin layers, and very low heat. At this stage, I decided I will add a little bit of more oil around the oats. You can also add any kind of oil that you like. And if you want to add more oil, you can add more oil. I'm adding some cinnamon. You don't need to add some cinnamon if you don't like cinnamon. Make sure your heat is medium to low so that you don't burn anything. Okay, I think I am happy with it, and I can see the coconut has a nice color. I don't want to burn it, so I'm ready to eat it. So I will keep that little bit as a snack later today. What you can do, you can actually just make another batch. If it's like 2 people or 3 people, 4 people, then you can perhaps double the amounts that I used, and then you can just do it twice. You can eat the granola with any kind of sauce or juice or milk, hot milk or cold milk or anything, or yogurt. So we'll just eat it plain as it is, but I will just add my hot almond milk. Thank you for watching, everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye.